a new fancy ending. This is a song from somewhere Under Wonderland, and it's about being a man in the world is a weird thing. It's hard to have confidence in who you're supposed to be or how you're supposed to act or what you're supposed to do. And there are times when you feel like you can just fuck a hole in the earth. And there are other times when you just want to go home and swim in your aquarium. You know, fish tank's a better way of saying that. Fish tank. Fuck it, it's too late now. This is called Earthquake Driver. Born again, a little north of Disneyland, somewhere under Wonderland, Hollywood. Then I had to go skipping and diving the mountains back to New York City, straight to the heart of America, where all the wild things grow. I wanna be an earthquake driver. I wanna be an aquarium diver. I just don't wanna go home. Hey now, I'm alone, but I am hungry for affection. Go